Welcome to Moneris. This video outlines everything you need to know to set up your terminal and be payment ready. When your welcome kit arrives, please confirm you have received your terminal, the power supply cable, the base, the Ethernet cable, the paper roll, the white POS administration card, and the Setting Up Your Terminal guide. You will also need your merchant ID, which can be found in your welcome email. Before you begin, please review the Internet Connection Checklist available at moneris.com/checklist and ensure that your Ethernet service is ready to support your terminal. As well, please review the Moneris Base Location Checklist available at moneris.com/installation. This checklist will help you find the best location for your base to ensure optimal communication between your base and your terminal. Start by inserting one end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the back of your base. Insert the other end of the Ethernet cable in an Ethernet wall jack or to the back of your router. Open the paper roll holder at the top of the terminal by pulling up on the printer latch. Pull the latch away to completely open. Now, insert the paper roll into the terminal. The paper should unroll from the bottom of the roll towards the front of the terminal. Pull some of the paper up and press the printer latch closed. Now, place the terminal on the base so that the contact slots on the underside of the terminal fit securely over the lead prongs on the base. This will turn the terminal power on. Wait for your screen to read "Terminal Setup Required." This should take about a minute to appear. To begin the terminal setup, you'll first need to register the terminal to the base. To do so, first confirm that the battery charge level icon, the battery charging icon, and the power icon appear at the top left corner of the screen. Then, with the terminal docked to the base, press pound twice, enter 17, and press the green OK button. Select Convert Base and press the green OK button. Select Contact Mode and press the green OK button. When Please Wait appears, the base is being converted, which may take several seconds. Do not undock the terminal. When Conversion Successful Press OK appears, press the green OK button. Then press the red Cancel button twice. Your screen should now read Terminal Setup Required. Now, it's time to establish a connection between the base and the terminal. Press pound twice, enter 17, and press the green OK button. Scroll down using the down button to register base, and press the green OK button. Scroll down to Rem All Bases, and press the green OK button. When No Known Bases appears, the screen will return to the Register Base menu, with Contact Mode highlighted. Press the green OK button to continue. The terminal will now proceed to establish a connection to the base. Once the connection is successful, you will see Pairing to Base and your base number successful. Press OK. Press the green OK button to return to the Register Base menu. Press the red Cancel button 3 times. Your screen should now read Terminal Setup Required. Confirm that your screen shows a wireless signal icon showing 3 to 5 bars, your base ID and ETH, indicating you are connected to a functioning Ethernet network. Now it's time to initialize and log on. Press pound twice, enter 01, and press the green OK button. You will now be asked to enter your 13-digit merchant ID, which can be found in your welcome email. Enter your merchant ID. To make a correction, simply push the yellow back button to delete what was entered. When correctly entered, press the green OK button to continue. You will now be asked to enter the initialization phone number. Please refer to your Setting Up Your Terminal guide to find the number that matches the beginning of your merchant number. Once you have entered the phone number, press the green OK button to continue. Your screen should now read Sending, Receiving, Processing. This means your terminal is initializing. When Swipe Admin Card appears, swipe the white POS administration card. Then, wait while the terminal communicates with the Moneris host to log on. When your screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, set up a password to restrict access to manually entering card numbers. Decide on your password. It must be 5 to 10 digits long and cannot be consecutive numbers or repeating numbers. From the Purchase Enter Amount screen, press the pound key twice at the Enter Admin Code prompt, key in 22, and press the green OK button. At the Swipe Admin Card prompt, swipe the white POS administration card. At the Enable Password prompt, select Yes by pressing the key under it. At the Enter New 5 to 10-digit admin password prompt, key in the password you selected, then press the green OK button. At the Re-enter New Admin Password prompt, key in the same password and press the green OK button. The message Admin Password Setup Successfully appears briefly. Then the security menu appears. Press the red Cancel button twice. When your screen reads Purchase Enter Amount, you have completed the setup. Congratulations! You are now payment ready and can start processing payments with your terminal. For more information on how to configure optional features, refer to the Moneris iWL220 reference guide. If you require further assistance, please go to moneris.com or call Moneris Customer Care at 1-866-319-7450.